we are going to work on telling time, first grade style. It covers the content area of grade 1 measurement and data domain with the cluster tell and writing time, with it being the third standard tell and write time in hours and using half hours using analog and digital clocks. There are two different types of clocks. First you see our digital clock, and next you are going to be seeing our analog clock. Both of these clocks tell us what time it is. We're going to learn the difference today. Let's take a minute to look at our minute hand. Using our analog clock, we know that there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. As you see on our clock, we start with 0, we go to 15 seconds, and then we go to 30 seconds, followed by our 45 seconds. You'll see each different second throughout the clock. Based upon our previous lessons, we know two different clocks can show the same time. We've already talked about what an analog clock looks like, so we know that this is an analog clock. It displays 3 o'clock. Now, looking at our digital clock, we also know that this displays 3 o'clock. Both clocks show the same time, just in a different format. Using analog clocks, we have little hands, big hands, and second hands. So what's the difference? In our picture, we see that the second hand is the thinnest little line. Next is our little hand, which displays our hours. Then you'll see our minute hand. So how do I read a digital clock? Our first number is always our hour. Then our second number is always our minutes. The time displayed is 3:30. So let's review. What kind of clock am I? If you said analog, you are correct. What kind of clock is this? If you said digital, you are correct. To end our lesson today, we are going to sing a song, the clock song. Finally, to wrap up our lesson, we are going to make our own clock using Curious George.